Steve and Leslie moved into their early 1990s home 14 years ago, before having their kids, Michaela and Mason.
When we moved in, we only planned on staying here for a few years.
And then we had our kids and made such great friends here.
Now that we have kids and they're growing, we're starting to feel the squeeze.
We still have plenty of space in here. Maybe a couple things need to be changed.
I do like the open floor plan, but there's nowhere to hide. What do you always tell me when I'm watching a movie?
Well, turn it down because the kids are trying to sleep upstairs.
I know, but I don't want to turn it down. Sometimes I just want to be able to close the door and turn it up and have the bass thumping, you know me.
Well, maybe we can make that happen.
The stuff that I really hate about this house, I mean, it's builder grade, it's very starter home. We would have to touch every single area of the house. The stairwells, we'd have to touch the kitchen. One of our major issues is right here in the corner of our kitchen. Leslie spends a lot of her time over here, and basically you can see that she's looking at her cabinet the entire time. We don't have a play area for the kids. Lovely hallway here in the upstairs. It's also known as the kids' playroom. Into our lovely guest room here. Who wouldn't want to spend some time in here?
We can make a separate space. The solutions are here in this house. And because it's your stuff...
Get rid of my stuff?
And we can...
Is that what you're saying?
There's room in the garage.
Then they've got to go over here and look into our nice, very small guest bathroom, which they also have to share with the kids. Right now, it may not seem that bad because the kids are smaller. Once they get older, how are they going to use that space?
That's not a big deal, and that's not a big expense, Mr. Accountant.
I mean, we're hitting every single room in the house. We haven't gotten to our master bathroom. You may think it's 1990, but this is really how it looked back when it was built. We got stuff here falling off. Look at our nice shower over here. I can barely fit in it.
I know we can fix that.
We can't fix everything. I would love if we had just a brand new house with a big lot, privacy.
Plant a few trees, get a little bit of privacy.
But you see how it is, it's a huge slope.
Did you see the kids sled down that when it snowed? That is a great
Yeah, and I had to catch them before they hit the fence.
We brought our kids home to this house, and now they have friends in the neighborhood. We can't take them away from that.
I think the kids, I think we deserve, you know, a better house to live in.
We are definitely staying right here in this house.
I've done an evaluation on your home, and the current value is $324,000.
That's about right where we were thinking.
What is your must-have list to get you out of this house, Leslie?
Open and updated kitchen and living room, 4 bedrooms, including a large master with an ensuite, 3 bathrooms, a bonus room for the kids, a separate space for Steve, a 2-car garage, and a better lot.
What's my budget?
$540,000.
All right. I'm good with that. Over to you.
Tell me what your list is that you think I need to do to make you stay in this house.
Renovate and redesign the kitchen. Create a space for myself. Create a play area for the kids. Renovate and enlarge the master bath. Renovate the upstairs bathroom. I'd like to add square footage and update the stairs. It's a short list.
What's my budget?
$75,000. Anything above that, I'm gonna wanna see some quotes just to make sure that I know what we're spending the money on and that it makes sense to add value to the house. And I'm an accountant, so that's important to me.
Bingo.
You do understand that depending on the finishes that you want, you're talking about this being builder's finishes and you want to upgrade that, that will hugely affect the budget.
What you're gonna do is improve the value of our house enough to where we can sell it, and David here is gonna find me exactly what I'm looking for.
And you know what, Steve? No matter what you decide, you're gonna love it.
I need to be wowed.
You're gonna be wowed, and it's gonna happen right over here. No. When I find you that house, you understand about this one is listed. I love this piece. So you got a nice corner property.
That's a nice neighborhood. I like to drive up to the house.
Pretty porch and a nice tree in the front yard.
Yeah.
I think that house was good. the finishes aren't quite there.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with that, yeah.
You know what that means, Steve?
More money. It's always more money.
Yep. This next house for Steve and Leslie is beautiful. 3,300 square feet. It's on a half-acre lot. Beautiful open concept main floor. Great kitchen. Beautiful backyard. 5 bedrooms. 4 bathrooms. Does it have a bonus space? It does. Needs a little bit of work.
I like this neighborhood. Lots of trees. It's really pretty.
You do have a garage. It's a side entrance garage.
Perfect.
Nice.
Wow, this is very
nice.
different than anything we've seen.
Yeah, very nice.
Your formal living room, dining room combination.
Very
I like
nice.
how this feels bigger than just a dining room or just the living room.
So you have your eat-in kitchen, family room combination.
Wow. A window over my kitchen
Window,
sink.
very nice.
A window with a view.
Love it.
And this is almost kind of opposite to your backyard. One, it has a little more play area, and it actually goes up as opposed to going down.
A little more usable.
A little more usable space.
Yeah.
Ready to see some more?
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
Let's go. This is the first of 4 bedrooms on this level.
This would be a great space for the kids to have their setup in here.
Yeah, it's big enough. You could put like a little game table or something up here, and they would have fun up here, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, and more storage, another closet.
Well, not quite. It's sort of storage-like. To me, this is just potential for whatever you want.
Wow.
Wow,
There aren't
this
very
is-
many third floors that you see with such high ceilings
No.
that make it so usable.
No.
This is impressive, yeah.
But just remember that this is unfinished space on
Yes.
top of
Well,
whatever
we
the
wouldn't have to
purchase
do it
price
right
is.
away. I mean, we could,
Yeah, you could do it as you
in
go.
time,
Yeah.
but it's here. The space is
Right.
here.
Yeah, come on. Second floor laundry room.
I like it.
I'm still thinking about the attic.
We still got lots to look at. Beautiful window.
Windows are great.
Couple more things to see.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
I love that you have separate vanities.
Yeah, that's perfect. Looks
And
good.
of course, storage being the most important thing.
Yes.
Have a look.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
So we still have his and hers.
What do you think this house is listed at?
Around $580,000.
What do you think?
$575,000.
This house is listed at $550,000.
Just a little bit.
So just $10,000 over your budget.
No, I think you brought it this time.
I think if we are going to move,
Yes.
this is probably the top choice.
No,
but we
yeah.
do have a lot to talk about. Wow. It's like a brand new house.
Brand new stairs.
That's a surprise. I'm very happy with that.
Let's go in and look at your new man cave office.
Okay.
Ooh, look at this.
The doors. Oh, wow.
Look at this ceiling.
The coffered ceiling makes such a difference.
Love the coffered ceiling. I've always wanted one.
I can't believe this is our house.
Wow.
This is great.
I love the built-in. It looks fantastic.
Carving out this space has given you space where you could actually close the door, but it would also feel welcoming for the rest of the family.
I might have to come in here with you and maybe even watch a game.
That's
Okay,
a
let's
great
keep
start.
going. So now,
Oh,
Yay!
look at this.
The kids are going
The
to
kids are
love
gonna love
this.
this is the room that was the catch-all. And now this is going to be a guest room when the sofa bed is in use, but most of the time it's going to be a playroom for the children.
Oh, that's great. I'm excited for the kids
This
to
is
come and
nice,
see
yeah.
this later.
Let's look at your space now. All right, your master bedroom.
Oh,
Whoa, that is
Holy cow.
very different.
wow.
You are
This
good.
is, I know, it's almost like she knows what she's doing. This is really nice.
And now you're going to see how the bathroom, remaining the size that it always was, works perfectly well.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful.
This is beautiful.
You got rid of that tub. That was a great decision.
The shower looks great.
The whole way to make a smaller room feel larger is to have continuation. The floors continue through underneath the cabinetry and into the WC area, and the shower has this detail that runs into the floor.
The choices are fantastic. The finishes are nice. This is better than we could have hoped for.
All right, I'm glad to hear it, because when you see downstairs, I think that will seal the deal. Let's go.
Do it.
This is
Whoa.
a complete rethinking of your main floor space.
It sure is.
Just remember how this was. The space was always good, and somehow it still wasn't spectacular. So now it is spectacular.
I don't remember ever looking out the windows in the 14 years we've been here, but now it makes me want to look out the windows and see everything. I love how you can see straight through them without the little grids. It's money well spent.
Money well spent, yeah, for sure.
You've still got a wonderful area here where you now can sit and have a semi-formal meal.
Look at my storage. I've got cabinets and drawers. I think I had 3 drawers in my entire kitchen before.
Okay, so, decision made?
I think so.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to
list it.
Awesome! I found the forever house!
We love everything that you did here, from the kitchen, the amazing detail and finishes, but the possibilities at that other house are just endless.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Good luck in your new home.
Thank you very much.